Imagine starting your day with a warm, soothing cup of herbal tea that refreshes your senses and boosts your health naturally. Unlike regular tea or coffee, herbal teas contain potent plant compounds, antioxidants, and essential nutrients that support digestion, balance hormones, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. Drinking herbal tea daily is one of the simplest ways to nourish your body, improve mental clarity, and support immune function, all without the jitters of caffeine. In today's video, we'll explore the best herbal teas for daily wellness, how they benefit the body in simple ways to incorporate them into your routine. Stick around until the end, when we'll share the best herbal tea blends for specific health benefits. Let's dive in. Chamomile tea is one of the most popular herbal teas worldwide. It is known for its ability to promote relaxation, improve sleep, and support digestion. It has been used as a natural remedy for stress relief, anxiety, and stomach discomfort for centuries. How chamomile tea supports health. Promotes deep and restorative sleep. Chamomile contains apigenin, a natural antioxidant that binds to brain receptors, promoting relaxation and reducing insomnia. Drinking chamomile tea before bedtime helps the body wind down, easing tension and stress. Eases digestive discomfort and reduces bloating. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties, which help soothe stomach pain, cramps, and indigestion. It is beneficial for relieving bloating, nausea, and gas after meals. Supports stress and anxiety relief. Chamomile tea is a natural relaxant that reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and promotes calmness. Studies show that drinking chamomile tea regularly can help reduce symptoms of mild anxiety and tension. Boosts immunity and fights inflammation. Rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties, chamomile helps the body fight infections and reduce inflammation. It may also help relieve cold and flu symptoms, making it an excellent choice for immune support. Best ways to drink chamomile tea for maximum benefits. Drink 30 to 60 minutes before bed to promote relaxation and better sleep. Have a cup after meals to help soothe digestion and prevent bloating. Mix with honey and lemon for an extra flavor boost and immune support. Add a dash of cinnamon or ginger for a warming, digestive-friendly blend. Tip: avoid chamomile tea if you have ragweed allergies, as it may cause mild reactions in some people. Chamomile tea is a natural stress reliever and sleep enhancer. It helps calm the mind, ease digestion, and support immune health, a perfect choice for daily wellness. Peppermint tea is one of the most refreshing herbal teas, packed with menthol and natural compounds that aid digestion, boost energy, and relieve headaches. How peppermint tea supports health. Soothes digestion and relieves bloating. Peppermint tea relaxes the digestive tract, helping to reduce gas, bloating, and cramps. It's beneficial for people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or indigestion. Supports energy and mental clarity. Unlike caffeinated drinks, peppermint tea naturally enhances focus and alertness without jitters. It improves blood circulation to the brain, helping with mental clarity and concentration. Relieves headaches and muscle tension. Peppermint's cooling effect helps relax muscles, easing tension headaches and migraines. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce soreness in the body. Fights bad breath and supports oral health. The antibacterial properties of peppermint help kill bacteria in the mouth, reducing bad breath and gum irritation. Best ways to drink peppermint tea for maximum benefits. Drink after meals to ease digestion and prevent bloating. Have a cup in the afternoon for a caffeine-free energy boost. Use as a mouth rinse to freshen breath and support oral health. Add fresh mint leaves to hot water for a natural and refreshing homemade tea. Tip: avoid peppermint tea if you have acid reflux, GERD, as it may relax the esophagus and worsen symptoms. Peppermint tea is a potent herbal drink that can help with digestion, energy, and headache relief, making it a great daily wellness tea. Ginger tea is among the most potent herbal teas for immune support, digestion, and inflammation relief. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, ginger is packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and digestive enzymes that support overall health. How ginger tea supports health. Boosts the immune system and fights infections. Ginger contains gingerol, a powerful compound that helps fight bacteria, viruses, and inflammation. Drinking ginger tea regularly can help prevent colds, flu, and respiratory infections. Aids digestion and reduces nausea. Ginger tea stimulates digestive enzymes, helping to break down food and prevent bloating. It's an excellent remedy for indigestion, motion sickness, and nausea, including morning sickness in pregnancy. Reduces inflammation and relieves pain. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce muscle pain, joint stiffness, and arthritis symptoms. It can also help with menstrual cramps by relaxing the uterus and improving blood flow. Supports blood sugar control and heart health. Ginger helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and sugar cravings. It also improves circulation, lowers cholesterol, and reduces the risk of heart disease. Best ways to drink ginger tea for maximum benefits. Drink before meals to stimulate digestion and prevent bloating. Have a cup in the morning for an immune-boosting, energizing start to your day. Add lemon and honey for a mighty cold and flu remedy. Use fresh ginger root instead of powdered ginger for maximum benefits. Tip: ginger tea can be spicy. If you prefer a milder taste, use fewer ginger slices and steep for less time. Ginger tea is a natural powerhouse for immune defense, digestion, and inflammation relief, making it an excellent daily tea for overall well-being. Green tea is one of the most studied herbal teas. It is known for its high antioxidant content, metabolism-boosting effects, and brain-enhancing properties. It contains catechins, polyphenol, and L-theanine, which work together to support heart health, improve mental focus, and aid in weight management. How green tea supports health. Boosts metabolism and aids weight loss. Green tea contains EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, a powerful antioxidant that helps burn fat and increase calorie expenditure. It also enhances insulin sensitivity, preventing sugar spikes and cravings. Protects the brain and enhances focus. Green tea is rich in L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and mental clarity. It improves memory, concentration, and cognitive function, reducing the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Supports heart health and lowers cholesterol. Green tea helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, reducing the risk of heart disease. Its antioxidants improve circulation and blood vessel function. Provides natural energy without jitters. Unlike coffee, green tea has moderate caffeine, giving you a gentle energy boost without crashes. It keeps you alert and focused throughout the day. Best ways to drink green tea for maximum benefits. Drink in the morning or afternoon for a steady energy boost. Avoid adding milk, as it reduces antioxidant absorption. Brew for 2 to 3 minutes to avoid bitterness. Pair with lemon to enhance antioxidant benefits. Tip: avoid drinking green tea on an empty stomach, as it may cause slight stomach discomfort in some people. Green tea is an antioxidant-rich, metabolism-boosting beverage that enhances energy, brain function, and heart health. Thus, it is a perfect daily beverage. Hibiscus tea is a vibrant, tangy herbal tea made from hibiscus flower petals. It's packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support heart health, blood pressure regulation, and radiant skin. How hibiscus tea supports health. Lowers blood pressure and supports heart health. Hibiscus tea has been shown to reduce high blood pressure naturally. It improves circulation, lowers cholesterol, and prevents heart disease. Rich in antioxidants, fights aging and promotes skin glow. Hibiscus tea is high in vitamin C and polyphenol, which help fight free radicals and promote youthful skin. It supports collagen production, keeping skin firm and hydrated. Aids digestion and supports liver detoxification. Hibiscus helps stimulate digestion and cleanse the liver, improving detox pathways. It also has mild diuretic effects, reducing water retention and bloating. Best ways to drink hibiscus tea for maximum benefits. Drink in the evening to relax and support circulation. Serve cold as an iced tea for a refreshing summer drink. Add cinnamon or honey to balance its tangy flavor. Tip: avoid hibiscus tea if you have low blood pressure, as it may lower it further. Hibiscus tea is a heart-healthy, skin-glowing herbal drink that promotes hydration, digestion, and anti-aging benefits. Rooibos tea is a caffeine-free herbal tea from South Africa, known for its high antioxidant content, stress-relieving effects, and digestive support. How rooibos tea supports health. Balances stress hormones and reduces anxiety. Rooibos tea contains cephalathin, which helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, and promotes relaxation. Boosts digestion and gut health. Rooibos has natural prebiotics that help feed good gut bacteria, improving digestion. Supports bone and skin health. Rooibos is rich in calcium and minerals, supporting bone strength and collagen production. Regulates blood sugar and fights inflammation. It helps maintain stable energy levels and reduces sugar cravings. Best ways to drink rooibos tea. Drink before bedtime for a caffeine-free, relaxing tea. Pair with honey and vanilla for a comforting herbal drink. Rooibos tea is a stress-relieving, gut-friendly tea perfect for daily relaxation and digestive support. Dandelion tea is a natural detoxifier that supports liver function, digestion, and kidney health. How dandelion tea supports health. Supports liver detoxification and digestion. Acts as a natural diuretic, reduces water retention. Rich in prebiotics, feeds gut bacteria. Best ways to drink dandelion tea. Drink in the morning to kickstart digestion. Use as part of a gentle detox cleanse. Dandelion tea is one of the best teas for digestion and liver detox, making it a great daily cleansing herbal drink. Incorporating herbal teas into your daily routine is one of the simplest and most effective ways to support digestion, hormonal balance, stress relief, immune function, and overall well-being. Unlike sugary drinks or caffeine-heavy beverages, herbal teas provide natural healing compounds that harmonize with your body. Quick recap of the best herbal teas for daily use. Chamomile tea, promotes relaxation, better sleep, and digestion support. Peppermint tea soothes digestion, boosts energy, and relieves headaches. Ginger tea enhances immune function, reduces inflammation, and aids digestion. Green tea supports metabolism, mental clarity, and heart health. Hibiscus tea lowers blood pressure, detoxifies the liver, and promotes glowing skin. Rooibos tea, a caffeine-free stress reliever that supports gut and bone health. Dandelion tea, a powerful detox tea that helps cleanse the liver and improve digestion. How to incorporate herbal teas into your daily routine. Start your morning with a metabolism-boosting tea like green or dandelion tea. Enjoy a cup of peppermint or ginger tea after meals to support digestion and prevent bloating. Sip on hibiscus tea in the afternoon for hydration and blood pressure regulation. Relax in the evening with chamomile or rooibos tea for better sleep and stress relief. Customize herbal blends based on your health needs, e.g., ginger plus green tea for energy, chamomile plus peppermint for relaxation. By making these small changes, you can nourish your body, boost energy, improve digestion, and enhance your overall well-being, one cup at a time. Which herbal tea do you enjoy the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.